Hi, it's Luke here from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 CX-9 stock number 5959. This ran from the 12th 2007 to the 12th 2015. It is a TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TB V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door 3 dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre is bald. Right rear door 1 dent and some scratches. Right front door 1 dent and some scratches. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory CD player. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.